Listen, I've spent years in the field, starting as an electrician in nuclear power before putting in 17 years in the HVAC trenches. I've seen what happens when a unit is built for the lab versus when it's built for your backyard. Today, we're putting two premium tier heavyweights head to head in the ducted split category: the Bryant 148 tan and the Goodman GSXC7. These aren't your basic entry-level boxes. These are for when you want real comfort without the ultimate tier price tag. When you're talking ducted units, protection is your first line of defense. The Bryant 148 tan comes with a louvered coil. In my book, that's superior armor. Those steel louvers are there to stop hail or a stray rock from flattening your delicate aluminum fins. The Goodman GSXC7 also features a louvered coil. Both of these brands are moving away from that cheap wire mesh and giving you a cabinet that can actually handle a North American summer. Another field tip: both of these units come standard with compressor blankets. That's the difference between a unit that purrs and one that sounds like a diesel truck outside your bedroom window. Now let's talk about the guts. The Bryant 148 tan is a solid premium performer with an 18.0 SEER rating. It uses two-speed technology for both the fan and the compressor. That means it can drop down to a lower gear to save you money on those mildly warm days. The Goodman GSXC7 is right in the mix with a 17.2 SEER rating. Like the Bryant, it uses two-speed technology for the fan and compressor. This tier is the sweet spot for most homeowners. It gives you better humidity control and lower power bills than a basic single-stage unit without the complexity of a full inverter. Speaking of those coils, have you ever lost an entire unit because a hailstorm turned your AC into a piece of crumpled foil? If you haven't seen a louvered panel save a coil from a lawnmower, you haven't lived through enough seasons. In the field, a warranty is only as good as what it actually replaces. Bryant offers a 10-year parts and compressor warranty plus a 10-year unit replacement warranty. If that compressor fails in year 9, they don't just give you a part, they give you a whole new unit. Goodman, however, takes it to another level. They offer a 10-year parts warranty, but they back the heart of the machine with a lifetime compressor warranty and a lifetime unit replacement warranty. As long as you own the home, if that compressor goes, you get a new unit. That is a massive safety net for any homeowner. So, who wins? If you want the slightly higher efficiency of 18 SEER and a legacy name, the Bryant 148 tan is a tank. But the verdict today goes to the Goodman GSX7. When you're in the premium tier, getting that lifetime unit replacement backup alongside solid two-stage performance is the smartest play for long-term peace of mind. Don't just take my word for it. Head over to the website and use our head-to-head tool to compare these models against anything else on your quote. Hit that subscribe button for more field-tested advice. I'm the HVAC Repair Guy. Stay cool.